Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we have this equation: 2 raised to the power log to the base 2 in bracket x minus 3 plus 2 times x minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. So let's see how we are going to do that. Now, looking at the equation carefully, to be able to solve this one easily, then let's make some substitution. So let's log to the base 2 x minus 3 be equal to a. Then by definition, if log k to the base b is equal to y, then we can say that k is equal to b raised to the power y. So with this implies that with this we can say that x minus 3 will be equal to 2 raised to the power a. Then we substitute it in the equation. So we said that log to the base 2 x minus 3 is equal to a. So 2 raised to the power a plus x minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power a. So 2 times 2 raised to the power a is equal to 12. We are sending 12 to the right hand side. So there is 1 here. So we have 3 dot 2 raised to the power a, which is equal to 12. We divide both sides by 3. We have 2 to the power a is equal to 4. This is indices, so we can express the right hand side in terms of the left hand side. 2 raised to the power a will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2. If the bases are the same, we can equate the exponent. So therefore a is equal to 2. Remember, you were not asked to find a, but you were asked to find x. So we need to put it back. We have established that x minus 3 is equal to 2a. So x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power a. Now for a to be 4, for a to be 2, this implies that x minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. So x minus 3 will be equal to 4. And let's send this one to the right hand side. So x will be equal to 4 plus 3. So our value for x is now 7. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like this video, just click on the subscribe button. Then you can also turn on your notification button for some of these exciting videos. Bye.